So now we're going to talk about env files and why they are important. So first of all, we're going to go to our terminal, and then let's go to the backend, and then we're going to install npmi then .env to install the package. I'm going to show you exactly everything it does. First of all, we're going to require it, so I'm going to go const, and then you have .env when you require it from .env. So now you can go .env.config to run it, or you can simply go from here and like .config to run it. It's up to you. I prefer it this way. So now we run it. So we're gonna go to the main route in the backend, and then we're gonna create a file which is gonna be .env. And what we do with this env file, we store every important information, sensible information that we can just use in our server. So for example, we have like a key that connects to the database that we're gonna use after. We can't put it like here, and like if you send the code to anyone else, they get access to it. We don't want to do that. And also, if there is like a variable that you use a lot and you don't want to like define it here and here, you can like define it in the env and use it that way. So it's very, very, very important. And the way you use it, we're gonna use it right here for. So let's have const port, and then we want to access where we're gonna go to the .env first, and we're gonna have port, and then it's gonna be 8000. Okay, and then we're gonna go back to the server, and the port is gonna be process.env. So this way we access the env file, and then we access the variable that we want, which is gonna be port. Let me check again. It's called port. So now we access it right here. So if it does exist, okay. If it doesn't exist, it's gonna be 8000 by default. And now instead of using 8000, we just use port. Simple as this. And now we can go back right here. This is the server. We can just close it and run it again, npm run server. And as you see, everything is running fine. You can also like show the port that you are running it. For example, we can change this, and we can use backticks, and server is listening or is running. Let's change it. Is running. I can't type. On port, and then we're gonna use literal, and then here we're gonna have port. Simple as this. And we're gonna have server is running on port 8000. So this is like env file, and they are very, very important to use, and probably you heard about them, but I had to make sure that everyone does.